Hello friends, how are you? Today we will discuss about how to make money on Shopify. Don't forget press the bell icon for more updates, subscribe my channel and the press bell icon. Many subscribers telling me please describe and describe the how make money online in Shopify. So let's start my video after wasting his time how to make Shopify money on Shopify. Shopify is one of most popular and the e-commerce platform on the market. Shopify is an e-commerce platform that is ever decreasing to the popularity, especially of the e-commerce shift to the online shopping more than is more. Whatever even existing the small business that is looking of bring online or a Shopify looking to make online with Shopify through a new venture. There are a few different ways to do. We'll cover how to make money online on Shopify using its tool and the services. Well, it's a tips help to your business find your success. What is a Shopify? Shopify is one of the most popular e-commerce platform that are unable to register for a small products online through the inactivity of the inflation that integrate with the most exciting website hosting providing and the smallest transactions from the company's homepage straight of their digital store for seller sitting and the operating a Shopify store is a typically straightforward and a less free uploading products online take two steps and the monitoring inventory to be done right within a platform, plus you have wouldn't to manage to the technology required to facilitate payment, and that also extremely that is a Shopify platform. Thank you so much. Don't forget subscribe my channel and the press bell icon for more updates. I am a technical adi.